10 SEO Best Practices Businesses Can't Afford to Ignore. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and at some point in the development of your website, search engine optimization should be addressed. This is the process of ensuring that your website ranks as high as possible in relevant searches. When optimizing your website for the web, the primary concerns are content, images, links, meta tags, sitemaps, and headings. Please keep watching for more specific details. Number 1. Content. Content is the most important aspect of your website. The content on the website must be relevant to the product or service that you offer. Also, when creating the content, it is essential to ensure that the content is written from the web page visitor's point of view. If you are selling weight management supplements, your website should contain the words weight management, weight loss supplement, weight gain supplement on a frequent basis. These are key words and are most likely to be searched by your prospects. The keywords must be relevant to the product or service being offered by the business. When selecting keywords, think of the words your prospects might Google. Having irrelevant but popular keywords in your content isn't going to help much. Be careful not to overuse keywords. Use keywords cautiously, wherever warranted, and wherever they truly fit. Search engines can identify keyword stuffing, and it will compensate for it. Number 2. Alternative text for images. While it's great to spruce up your site with images, make sure that the tag on the image is populated with relevant keywords. For example, if you have put up images of your latest products, it's helpful to use the product names in the alt tags rather than using image 1, 2, etc. Number 3. Text links. It's great to link images, but for greater search engine visibility, it's great to link text as well. For example, you may link text that directs prospects to your blog, Facebook, or Twitter accounts. Even though it is said that Google doesn't pay much attention to meta tags, other search engines still do, and that includes the popular ones like Yahoo and Bing. Meta tag description should be brief and concise, and keyword meta tag should be a concise list of keywords and phrases. Just as a map helps you find your way, a sitemap helps the search engine navigate through your site. Sitemaps are also useful to your website visitors, especially if your site has a lot of pages, tabs, or subtabs. Number 6. Emphasis. It is advisable to place emphasis on keywords using bold, italics, or larger font size. You can also use HTML's heading formatting styles for emphasis. In general, the greater the number of pages in your site, the better the chances of it being found on the web. However, ensure all the pages have relevant, keyword-rich content. Also, make sure you are not making it too difficult for visitors to navigate through your site. If your website navigation becomes too tedious, you might end up losing your visitors. Ultimately, your website is for humans and not for search engine robots. Number 8. Flash. Using a lot of Flash applications on your site may make it look very good, but it's not great from a web traffic standpoint. Flash can take a lot of time to load, making your site slow. Also, Flash doesn't load on iPads or Androids, so you may lose your mobile audience. Information quality. As mentioned before, a website is for humans and not purely for search engine robots. Make sure the information provided on your site adds value to visitors. Eliminate spelling and grammar errors, as this reflects poorly on your brand. Ensure the site reflects the latest information about your business and about its products and services. Create blogs, videos, case studies, and white papers on topics that would be of interest to your prospects. And they're used to draw traffic to your website. People often visit websites that offer them something of value. Number 10. Make yourself visible. If you have a great website, advertise it. Make sure your social media profiles, email signatures all have a link to your website. Search engine optimization is definitely not a one-time thing. It is a continuous process and often takes trial and error. It takes time, and the desired results may take about a month or two to be attained. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other great videos for home business owners.